Let's start with the place that we have stopped last day, entities. My advice, yes, you can do something like this when you're using entities. One thing is you can use a monospace font like typewriter text. So go to your code and you can change it to typewriter text by adding TT tag, right? Adding TT tag. Inside this, you can add TT tag, and after that, you can finish the TT tag. That is one thing, because then it will take only same space. Each character will be in same size. And when each character in the same size, I think this can be like it is more convenient. Now you can control this, right? That is one thing that you can do. Typewriter text. Another thing is here. Go to the first line, and I can see something that you have tried here. Can you copy this entire thing? Okay, copy this and sorry, cut it, and then this HTW, just erase that. That is because you are writing in before the HTML. It's not good. That is not proper HTML. Paste that after H1 tag in line number 18 after putting an enter tag there. Yes, enter. Then just paste this. Okay, you can include this. Erase that. Okay. One space, I guess. One space is needed. All right. Okay. Here, again, press enter after H1. Again, press enter after H1. And now you can start pre-formatted text tag. PRE. That tag is special because that will consider the spaces even. Pre-formatted text. Pre-tag. You can finish the pre-tag in line number 23 before the body section. Okay, see the output, and you will see the same output like you see in the in this text stage. Okay, can you see?
Yes.
You are getting that, but here in order to get the same result, you need to control some spaces, I guess. That is what missing there. You need to control some spaces in the previous one, and you can do that, but you have to try, right? So I will keep that exercise to you. You can just give a try and do that. Okay.
Okay.
Then let's move to we have done this part, and we have done what was the other one? We have done now we have a major topic to discuss, that is object linking and embedding and frame sets, and also image maps. So those are some major sections. But the thing is, frame sets now it is not much used. Earlier days it was used. The frame set was used earlier days, but not now. But still important to know the concept. That's why I'm going to teach that. Next thing is frame sets, and next thing is object linking and embedding. Of course, you need it. You need it like even now, even before. Now in future also you need it. Object linking and embedding. Then the next thing is object linking and embedding, frame set, and image maps. Image maps also. The thing is, like now you have better version like Ajax and all, but the thing is you need to develop your thinking pattern. Therefore, I will do image map part as well. So those are the remaining sections to be covered in HTML. And one final thing, that is forms. But when we learn forms, we need to learn about some server side or client side scripting language to handle the forms. Otherwise, form will be just to show something, but it's not functioning. In order to make it function, in order to make these forms functioning, you need to work with scripting language like JavaScript, Python script, maybe PHP script, Perl script. Likewise, you have different ASP, different technologies which can be used with the forms. Okay, anyway, today's discussion is about object linking and embedding. If we have enough time, we will move to the frames. Okay, let me start your note. And let's go to the object linking and embedding, and let's see how it works first. So in order to get an idea about this linking embedding, I would like to show you a small web page that is none other than Google. Okay, when you load Google page, you can see this is an image. And this Google is an image. This is not text, it is an image. We can right click here, open image in new tab, and then you can see that is image. You can see here, Google is an image. Okay, but image is displayed in the web page. Image is displayed in the web page. So that is called embedding. When you open the web page, images, sounds, videos are by default added to the page. Not by default, actually by coding. It is added to the page and it is already visible to the user. Then we call that as embedding. Okay, let me show another website. Let's go to Microsoft.com. And when you go to Microsoft.com website, okay, can you tell me which are embedded here?
This one?
Yeah, yes, this small icon is embedded. And this background image? This background image is also embedded. And these images? Yes, these images are also embedded. 4 images, and this background image 5, and this Microsoft logo 6. Lot of embedding. And this one even, it is also embedded, and this is again 4 images. Lot of embedded contents. But some are linked. Linked means when you click on certain thing only, you will be moving to the particular resources. Or you need to activate it by triggering. Triggering means user need to do something. User need to do something to activate it. That is called linking. Link need to be activated. But these images, videos can be embedded without any pre-active, like it is like pre-active without any external effort. By default, it will be there visible in the web page. That is what the embedding is. You need to know that concept. So please write down the heading, object linking and embedding. Object linking and embedding. And please write down this part quickly. The heading is object linking and embedding. Links, basically, as I said, links need to be activated or triggered, but embedded things can be seen by default in the web browser once you accept the web page. So hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are in 3 types. Hyperlinks can be external, internal, and it can be page links within the page. External, internal, and within the page. We have already discussed right. We have already discussed about external links. It's easy. External links is basically copying and pasting. If you have a web page, let's create a very quick sample web page. You can do this with me. You can do this with me. Okay, see the sample page that I have created, href equal http://www.google.com. HTTP refers to Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Protocol is just set of rules. Hypertext means this HTML, right? Hypertext markup language is HTML. Hypertext is with HTML tags and all. Hypertext transport. It is sending these web pages from web server to web browser and web browser to web server also. It is bidirectional. Message passing is done through this set of rules. Hypertext transfer protocol is just set of rules. And there's another one, hypertext transfer protocol secure version. I will explain the difference. Secure version is secure than the normal version. That is explicitly that. Implicitly they are secure version can secure. Make it very secure. That is true. Secure version is secure than HTTP. But secure version uses encryption. Encryption means coding the text in some other format where in the middle someone cannot read. It cannot be read in the middle. Something like this. When you go to Google and type, okay, Dasun, Nilanjana, my name, I just want to search about myself, and you can see this text. Can you read and understand this text? Can you read and understand this text?
No.
It is not meaningful. It is some are there here, S line, some are there, but mainly it is not meaningful. This is called encryption, encrypted. Why it is encrypted? When some information going to the URL actually cannot be read. But let's see this one, ni.lk. Not NIT, sorry, NIE.lk. Is National Institute of Education, says not secure. Not secure means it's nothing to be worried. Only thing is it is using HTTP only. If I copy this and paste here, you can see, copy and paste. It is HTTP, right? HTTP. That is why it's saying not secure. Actually, it's not encryption. It is not encrypted. Let's go to contact, courses, advertisement, online. I have login, right? I have login there. Let me type a fake username and password and log in. Oh, forgot password something. I need to send the registration number. Okay, let's type some number. So anyway, so if there's a login, normally it should be like when there's a login, it should be something secure, right? It should be some sent via HTTPS. That is advisable. Otherwise, somebody can copy. But let's go to Google, google.com. Here the padlock appears. When padlock appears, if you copy this, it is HTTPS. When padlock is there, it is HTTPS. Padlock is not there, it is HTTP. The secure one is HTTPS. But if you're just doing information searching, then HTTP is enough. If you're not doing any secure work, transactions, online payments, then don't need to worry much about this HTTP or HTTPS. After that, you have the domain name, which we have already discussed when we start the class. The top level domain and the domain name is the unique name. Domain name is the unique name given by the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. That is called ICANN. Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. ICANN. Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. ICANN. That's it. Right? They are the people who are assigning the names. And they are the people who assign the names. Okay, that is it. So let's move to not back again. And in external links, nothing. What you need to do is you just need to copy and paste the link as it is, because it is external. And when you browse that web page, you can easily navigate to the particular page. It will be loaded in the same page. It will be displayed or the loaded in the same page. Here, when I click on this, loading in the same page. Right, but in order to stop that, you can add small part to this. You can say target is underscore blank. If you are telling like this, it will always open in a new page. When you click that, you can see the page will be there here. This page will be there, but Google will be open in a new page. Underscore blank. There are many usages. You can give underscore some name, a named window underscore hello. Then it will be loaded in a window called hello. Right, this is the hello window. When hello is there, if I try to load it again, it will again open in the hello window. So likewise, you can give a name or you can give underscore blank for new page. Right? Otherwise, it will be open in the same page itself. Okay. Now you know how to add external links. The problem is, how can we add? Problem is, how can we add internal links and in-page links? First of all, let's see in-page links. If you not need, you can type example for this external link. We have this, okay, this one. Please write down the next one. Please do it in, first do it. After that, write down this. First do it, after that, write down. First do the practical. After that, you can write down.
Okay.
This link, the second link is a link with some parameters. Parameters means you can pass some inputs. So let me copy and paste that in the in this one. Let me copy and paste in this one the link with the parameters href equal I'll copy and paste. Okay, see here, when I save this, and I try to open the web page, see it, and you can see when I open it, the link is visible. But if I click on this, you can see it's opening in a new tab as well as it's searching. It's searching. How this searching happens? Because of these inputs given. The searching happens because of this input. You can change this. You can maybe change this to cheat mini, Manojana, something like that. Cheat mini. Actually, plus is the space, right? Plus is the space. Cheat mini. Plus means space. Manojana. And the Q means query. Search, you have to direct to search page, and Q query is you are going to search this. You are going to search this. When you save this and go and refresh on the web page. So now nice. That's only Nilanjana. I can change this. The text is a text, of course, I can change anything, right? I'm just search. Okay, click on the search and you can see it's search info. Chitmini Manojana this time. Okay, it's changed into Chitmini Manojana this time. Understood?
Yes.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay, it's actually helping you pass in the parameter. You can pass anything, not just the name. You can pass anything. Anything that you like, you can pass. Okay, let's say grade 7 science and grade plus 7 plus science, right? Why space is plus grade 7 science. So grade plus 7 plus science. Grade space 7 space science. So now when you search this, it is grade 7 science. Okay. Likewise, it's possible to pass parameters to this. Okay, that is about the so that is about the external links. Okay, have you finished writing this part?
Yes.
Okay. This one, right? Here to here. Okay. So then
Yes.
let's see how these actually these direct links can be applied for scripting, and also for this can be applied for linking files, right? Here linking files, linking emails, and even linking strips. Right? Linking emails and linking strips are also possible. These we can write down them later also, but I think you better write down now. Linking emails and linking adding scripting links. I will explain that. First of all, write down. Try to do the practical. I will explain. The first link is linking emails. When you link the email, you can write this href mail to colon mark, then the address. That will open your default email software, which can be Outlook, Apple Mail, anything. So that is by default. If any software is there in your computer, the default is basically accessed using this. Default is accessed using this. Okay, then the next thing is scripting link. Scripting link is basically when you click, it will activate JavaScript here, and it can be VB script or anything. But here in this example, when you click on this, it will display a message saying, hey, I'm from JavaScript. Okay, that is it. Let me copy and paste it there. The code, and let's add BR surplus, BR surplus, and the email link after that. Okay. So let's see them now practically when you are here. So this is visit Google. So opening in a new page, blank. Search is searching with the parameters. The third is show me a message. You can see this message will be displayed. An email will open here, my Apple Mail. In my case, your case, it can be Outlook Express or Outlook. Did you get that experience?
Yes.
Okay. So those are the links available. And the next is bit critical. It's not actually critical, but the thing is we have to understand a little more than this right here. So this is actually the links within the same page. We call them bookmarks, right? Bookmarks or links within the same page. Okay. Bookmarks or links within the same page is working this way. Assume that you have a lengthier page, but this page should be really lengthier. Bigger page එකක් වෙන්න ඕනේ. Otherwise, we will not be able to observe the behavior of this. In order to create a lengthy page, I can recommend you open MS Word and go to a new file there, then type this command equal RAND equal rand, right? Then just type equal rand after that, right? Please type equal rand, then the number of and number of there. So this will add 3 paragraphs each with 2 lines. 3 paragraphs each with 2 lines. 3 paragraphs each with 2 lines. Equal rand 3, 2. 3 paragraphs each with 2 lines. Okay, equal rand 3, 2. And if you increase the number here, now you have 3 paragraphs each with 30 lines. Right? Like you need a large page, you can say 10 paragraphs each with 20 lines. So there will be 10. So how many 5 pages are there? 10 paragraphs each with 20 lines. 10 paragraphs each with 20 lines.
Can you tell the
command?
Yes.
Okay, you can change the number. You can change the number.
Okay.
Okay, after getting that, you need to do small thing. If you copy paste this in HTML, what will happen? You know the reason. You know the way that will be treated. If you copy and paste, you copy and paste the same here. Okay, let's add it a paragraph and paste this. But still, you can see only one paragraph. Only one paragraph will be there in the web page here. One long paragraph. What's the reason? Reason is
Like no paragraph text.
there are no paragraph marks. Therefore, you have to start the paragraph, end the paragraph here. And start another new paragraph here. That need to be added, right? Otherwise, what will happen? It won't be displayed. The page won't be lengthy enough. Therefore, 10 times you need to add paragraph opening and paragraph ending. Copying down, just in here, and paste in here, paste in here as well, then paste in here too, and paste in here too, and here also, and here also. Actually, you don't need the open after the last one. Open need to be erased because already this clause also need to be erased. Now you can see, save it, and then when you go there, refresh, you can see the multiple paragraphs, and this page is now lengthy enough. Please do this quickly.
Can you tell the command again?
No command, it is paragraph tag.
No, in the word.
In the word, it is equal RAND, equal rand, within bracket, the number of paragraphs and number of lines in each paragraph. Okay. It's corrected because I have used self clause in there. Erase that, that is wrong. Because link need not to be self clause, it has a clause syntax separate one. This is correct. The earlier one was wrong. It's my mistake. And let's add a new link here. I just want to add a link, href. I just want href equal. I just need to go to hash bottom of the page and say go to bottom of the page. And I need another link that is to go to the middle of the page. Let's add somewhere here. Href equal hash bottom. I need one to go to bottom of the page, as well as I need another link that is to go to the top of the page. Hash top, because I'm in the middle. Hash top need to go to the top of the page and bottom of the page. Let me copy these down and let's go to the bottom of the page, and there I need to go to the top of the page and also the middle of the page. Top and middle. Top and middle. And here in the bottom, actually I need to add another one, that is the bottom and the middle. Right. So after doing this, so let's see the preview. You have two links there. Oh, just need to add a BR there. Sorry, I mean, okay, here you can see two links. Go to the bottom of the page, go to the middle of the page, but not working, right? Nothing is working there. I just included the link, but never created the points. You can see, go to the bottom of the page, go to the middle of the page. And here I have to go to the bottom of the page and top of the page. And here I have another thing, go to the middle of the page and top of the page. Right. So how can we show them? How can we show the references? That's easy, because this is the top. I have to say name equal top. That is the easiest way to show that, a name equal top. And here in the middle, I have to name the place a name equal middle. And the bottom, I have to say a name equal bottom. a name equal bottom. Now I have named them. So middle of the page will go to middle, top of the page to middle is to middle, and you can say bottom of the page, that is bottom here. Then middle if you want, and top if you want. Likewise, you can navigate to bottom, top, middle, anything, anywhere now within the page. Okay, please include them and see and get your experience. That is serious. That is why I did I was waiting to do this. Since you have some understanding now, we can move to that, because this is bit ambiguous. If you not understand this in the first instant, it can be a bit ambiguous. So what is it? That is internal links. Internal links reference can be done in two ways, right? Internal links can be done in two ways. That one is called relative referencing, the other one is absolute referencing. Okay, this part you need to write down. What is the relativeness? What is the absoluteness? How to add link within the web page, which is in a local location. You need to create, draw this image as it is. Maybe I will tell why you need to draw this later. And no need to draw the links. No need to draw this. Write this. Just the selected thing. Just the selected things, right? Nothing else. No need to write. Do it quickly. Run with this. Once you draw this, you have to create this same folder structure. What do you mean? This is a large folder. This is a large folder. Inside that, there are three folders: pages folder, images folder, www folder. Those are folders. This is within this large folder, there are three folders, right? Inside that folder, there is a test folder. Inside www folder, there's a test folder. Inside images folder, there is CDF folder. And after that, put these files. You can search or download some MP3 files, JPG files, HTML file, you can create that. No? Then place these files inside and within and outside the folder. Okay.
Web means
Web, which one? Web means the large folder, largest one. This folder is web.
Then what is this one? What is this one? www.
The www is this folder, right? Actually, the large folder is web folder. Web folder ke athule thiyena folder pages kiyala ekakui, images kiyala ekakui, www kiyala ekakui. Ee tunama folders. www athule test folder එක තියෙනවා.
Then ABC, HTML and hello.
That is a file. That is a file. ABC HTML කියන www folder එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන file එක.
Okay.
hello.html කියන web ඇතුලේ තියෙන file එක. 1.jpg කියන web folder එක ඇතුලේ තියෙන file එක. test folder එක ඇතුලේ තමයි මෙතන 1.png තියෙන්නේ. images folder ඇතුලේ තමයි 2.jpg තියෙන්නේ. cdf folder එක ඇතුලේ තමයි 6.mp3 තියෙන්නේ. තේරුණාද? Okay. So that's it. Please go to view menu. No. The easiest is like view the extensions. View menu. Not there. Not there. Not there. Not there. That is correct, but not that I expected. This one. There you can go to the show and enable extensions. Show extensions. File name extensions. Now you can see 100png. Okay, go to the www folder, abc.html, and 1.png there. Okay, now go one up, web to web folder, web folder. In the web folder, you can see three folders: www, images, and pages. Okay, go to the images folder. 2.jpg should be there. And is the CDF folder also? Yes. Go to the CDF folder. Yes. Rename that as EC, if you can rename that as 6.mp3. 6.mp3. Okay. Then back one more time, or the up level. Go to the pages. 4.mp3, right? Rename it as 4.mp3. You have pasted same mp3 file. Better if you can use two mp3 files, right? Otherwise, like, you cannot distinguish between them. Anyway, so let's move to move to the web folder. Move to the web folder. 1.jpg and hello.html is there. Okay, now open abc.html using your notepad or text editor. Using notepad or text editor, open that. Okay, so now write the HTML code and you need to add the links to see all these pages. Okay, you can see the arrows pointed in this picture. You can see the arrows pointed in this picture. From ABC, you are going to access hello. From ABC 4.mp3, from ABC 6.mp3, from ABC 2.jpg, from ABC 1.jpg, from ABC 1.png. You are going to access all these resources. How many resources? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 links. Can you write 6 links there? Right? href equal, then the resource path to the resource. href equal path to the resource, and that is link, and there are 6 such links. I will give you time to experiment first. After 2 minutes, or sorry, after 3 minutes, I will explain. I can suggest you what to do for this one. First, show me your screen. Okay, actually here, when you are linking, first of all, can you see that which is nearby this ABC? ABC, the closer the mokadda. You can see, can you go to the ABC in your folder view? Go to ABC, and what you can see there, test folder can be seen, right? Can you see? You can put the name of that. That is how we are putting the relative referencing. Put the name of test folder. Okay, then go to the test folder. Go to the test folder. What you can see? 1.png. Then type, then // 1.png. /1.png. Okay, check whether it's working. Check whether it's working. Go to the website and check whether it's working. That is your first link. Okay, it's working, right? Now you understood how to give that, but not perfectly. Now go back to your folder view. Go back to your folder view. Now go to the same folder at ABC. Right now, go one level up, upwards. Right. What are the resources there? You can see 1.jpg and hello.html. 1.jpg is there and hello.html is also there. That you can link. How to tell that? Please go to your web page again. Coding interface. Please coding interface. Okay. In this coding interface, right? In this coordinate interface, right? Type one level up, one level up. How to type that? One level up can be typed double dot forward slash. That is how you indicate one level up, double dot forward slash. To indicate one level up, double dot forward slash. Okay, double dot forward slash. That is how you indicate one level up, double dot forward slash. Right, now you can say those two files. What are the two files there? There were two, one.jpg and the other one was
Hello HTML.
hello HTML. Name them. Okay. Oh, no, it two separate links. One.jpg in one and copy and paste one more time the entire code. Erase this hello.html, that is not needed. Okay, keep the hello.html, copy this line, paste it again. Href equal double dot slash name. Okay. Oh, not hello. One.jpg, right? Check whether those are working. Working, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now you know how to do this. Continue. Now you know how to do this. Please continue. Link similar to the previous. Again. Coding. Right. Okay. Correct. So this is called, okay, you have understood the concept very well. Very good. One instant. That's what I said. If you can understand this one instant, yes, that's great. That is what we really need. So I think you understood the concept. Now I will show you the embedding part. Now you know how to link. No, if you are putting the absolute reference in, you have to put the full path, right? So this is the relative reference. Correct. You have done that. And absolute reference in, if you are putting, you have to put the full path like this. From C, Windows, likewise, the entire path, C, users, entire path you need to put. That is the absolute referencing. You can try that as well, but that is not really used. That is not really used. That is because we cannot move the website from place to place if you are doing like this. Website therefore, we are not using that kind of referencing now. But it is still there. That absolute referencing is still there. Only thing is we are not using that.
Okay.
Okay. Then the next is embedding. You can try to do embedding for images like this. Instead of a href, we can use IMG SRC. IMG, this we have practiced one actually a few weeks ago. We have practiced this, but I'm not sure whether you can remember the concept. IMG SRC for images. As a homework for all the images that we have placed there, try to use IMG SRC1 as a homework. Okay, then I will stop from here for today. Next day I will do the remaining part. So embedding you have to try alone, right? Taniyan try karan. Okay. Okay then. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.